Hello guys, so today I'm going to talk about the ESP-8266 12V development board, and after I'm done explaining what this board is all about, I have a special offer for you guys. So make sure you watch the video till the end so that you can avail the offer. Alright, so let's get started. The ESP-8266 12V development board is basically a Wi-Fi module which is FCC certified. So FCC basically stands for Federal Communications Commission, which is a US government created agency which deals with communication over radio, TV and everything. So you know that this module is safe. The safety is ensured. And you would need this Wi-Fi module whenever you are going to work on any project on IoT. Whenever you are going to work on any project that would need you to communicate to your hardware device over internet, you are going to need this ESP-8266 12V development board, and you can connect it over hotspot and then you will be able to use it. Next, it is a single board open source microcontroller. What it means is there is only one board, there are not multiple boards, only one board. And open source microcontroller means that this chip right here, you can program it, right? This is programmable. You can change it according to your preference, according to your situation, according to how you need it to work. So it is a single board open source microcontroller. It has a wide temperature range. Now this is one of the biggest advantages of this board, that it has a very wide temperature range, as you can see, from minus 40 Celsius to plus 125 degrees Celsius. So you don't need to worry about the surrounding temperature while working with it. It has a wide temperature range, and so with the temperature range being so wide, it is very durable and very much resistive to any damage. Next, it has 128 kilobytes of memory and 4 megabytes of storage, which is far better than any other Wi-Fi board. It consists of this Wi-Fi board consists of many small components, like its processor, then different low noise power amplifiers. Then it also consists of one PCB antenna right here. So in this one board, there are so many different components integrated together. One of the easiest board to use because it is USB TTL transistor logic included. So basically all you need to do to run this development board is just plug and play. You just need to insert one USB pin right over here and just test it. Just insert USB pin and just plug it in and just upload your code and you're good to go. Usually in this ESP-8266 12V development board, you don't need to manually do the flash mode, which you need to do in the ESP-8266 mode. But even in case, sometimes this 12V development board also creates some error regarding flash mode. So I am going to make another video of that, how to solve the flash mode problem for the ESP-8266 12V development board. Just write down in the comment section if you want me to make another video of that, and I will make it. There are two to three ways you can solve that problem, and anyone would work. And now the most important thing, why the ESP-8266 12V development board is so popular and so much more advantageous than other Wi-Fi modules, is it has 12 general purpose input output pins. 12, that's a huge number. It has 12 GPIO pins, which means that in one board you can do so much things. In one board you can use 12 GPIO pins. That means in one board you can do many projects, right? Only in a single board, because you have 12 pins, and one project requires maybe max to max 4 or 5 pins, right? So you can do many projects in one board, and of course all the pins are reprogrammable. So that's a huge thing. It has 12 GPIO pins and every pin can be used as a PWM pin. PWM stands for pulse width modulation, which means that all of these pins, these can be like, what pulse width modulation pins do is they take a digital input and give an analog output. So that is basically they take a 0 or 1 as an input and they give the values between 0 and 1 as an output. So where is this necessary? It is necessary when you want to change the intensity of light, right? Well, if the light is 0, then it's off. If the light is 1, then it's on. But to change the intensity of light, you need to select a value between 0 and 1. So what PWM pins do is it can help in generating an analog output, so that, for example, you can vary the intensity of light, and all of these pins can be used as PWM pin. Well, not all of the pins. So basically here you can see the 12 pins, the varying from GPIO 0 to 16, and the input output there D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5 to D12. These are the pins D0, D1, D2, and over here D11, D12. Out of all these pins, only this D0 pin, out of all these pins, only this D0 pin is the one pin which can be only used as general purpose input output read or write mode. So what that means is you can use this D0 pin only as for reading or writing, nothing more than that. This D0 pin cannot be used as a PWM pin. This is the only exception, and all of these except the 0 pin, all of the 11 pins can be used as PWM pin. So this is basically all the basics that you need to know about 12-way development board, and this is what you need to get started with. So this is just the basics, and in future videos I will cover up more advanced topic, more basics topics first, and then go to more advanced topics, and even show you how to write different codes, and even show you different projects for IoT and
no time. So this board usually is you can find it in Amazon for around $400, but as I said in the start of the video, I have a special offer for you, which is, see, I have quite a number of boards like this and certain other electronic stuff one can use for their IoT projects or different types of projects, right? Embedded projects. So I have decided that I am going to do a giveaway of this ESP-8266 12-way development board, and here is one 5-volt relay that is basically new. I got this maybe a few weeks back. I haven't even used it. So this is one relay which is also for the giveaway. I have one Veroboard over here, one breadboard, one female to male headers, and of course one Arduino UNO. Well, this Arduino is almost 5 months old. I have like 3 or 4 more Arduinos. So as I said, I have quite a number of hardwares like these, so I don't need so many. So I just decided to do a nice giveaway for people out there who want to experiment with stuff like these and do various projects, DIY projects, and are interested in the field of embedded. So to avail this offer, just all you need to do is just like the video, comment down below what you think about embedded system IoT, and if you would like me to do another videos on this topic, and subscribe to my channel if you find these kind of videos helpful.